Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this borderlands Ico face mask filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. Okay, let me remove this first. Okay, so to get this filter you have to go to this website. Link to this website you can find in the description box below. In this website you will see the snap code for this filter. If you are browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the code with your Snapchat mobile app, and if you are browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the code, then you will see this pop-up, unlock for 48 hours. Tap on it and that's it, you got the filter. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video.